Hello, and welcome to AMG Time's video presentation on the Mandatory Paid Sick Leave module. This feature is meant for any company that needs to comply with state and local mandatory paid sick leave laws. Since sick leave usually directly relates to the number of worked hours of the employee, having this tied to your time and attendance system allows you to easily automate the accrual and see information in real time. Let's take a look at how this module can be utilized. To begin configuring your sick leave rule, navigate to the Definitions tab and under Benefits, select Mandatory Paid Sick Leave. Here you will see your list of rules if you have any. Click on the Add button to add a new rule. Here you will select your category, which is usually sick time, as well as when the accrual will start. Now you will configure the rules that will make your business compliant with state and local sick leave laws. Here you have a field that will define the minimum amount of days the employee must work to accrue sick time. Here you will enter the ratio between worked hours and sick time. By default, this is set to 1 hour of sick time for every 30 hours of time worked. In the next field, define the maximum amount of hours that you can accrue for the year. In this field, input the amount of hours the employee is allowed to use throughout the year. In the maximum carryover field, enter the maximum amount of hours that can be carried from one year to the next. This last field is meant to define how long you have to work in order to actually use the sick time. Finally, in the Categories to Summarize table, check each category for which you want sick time to be accrued if it is worked. For example, if I select work time and training time, anytime work time or training time appears on the time card, the employee will earn sick time. Once you've configured your rule, you are ready to go assign the rule to your employees. You can assign them to the individual employee in their employee file, or you can assign it to groups of employees. For that, go to the Definition section and highlight Benefits and click Assign. Here you will select the employees you want to add the rule for, select the rule, and click Assign. Now you can check your employee's benefit table under the attendance window. Here you can clearly see the status of the employee's benefits. That is all for the Mandatory Paid Sick Leave presentation. For more information about accruing other benefits like vacation or PTO, please see the Benefit Accrual presentation. Thank you for your attention.